So now we have Mr. Kunj with me. So first question to you, Kunj. Like, what do you think how AI is changing the software industry?
Thank you, Dhruvin, for giving me this opportunity in this video. So, according to me, AI is actually changing all the landscape in terms of development. Nowadays, people are trying to get the code from the AI itself, like they are using BART, ChatGPT to get the code directly from the ChatGPTs, like from the LLM models. So, yes, it is changing the way we used to code, but I still do feel that it's not completely up to the mark. It will take some time to reach there, but yeah, it will change a lot. Yes, thank you.
All right, thanks. So does that mean that it will replace the human jobs?
No, I don't think like that, because AI is like girlfriend. You want it, but you cannot live without it. Yes, so it's in the similar manner. The jobs will not go. It will stay as it is, but the landscape would change. It will not be the conventional jobs. There would be changes in how the jobs are. Thank you.
All right, one more question I would like to ask you. What one piece of advice you would like to give any developer who are in this industry right now, and if they wanted to survive against AI, what are the tips you wanted to give them?
I will just tell one thing. AI is there. You need to embrace it. So stay with it, learn along with it, and that is how you will grow. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kunj, for these wonderful answers.
Thank you.